Well, here we are back at Bear's Rod Shop, and got the Kubota setting with a Guardian. Don't have any help videoing, so my bride that had passed away would help me video this. So it's going to be kind of a hush-bosh video, but the Guardian drill press is coming in, and you can kind of get a real good glimpse, up off the four-post lift, straight into the big old shop door here. And so today being the, 20th of October, we're just going to do our best to show getting stuff inside. The only two items that are coming in off that last auction sale are the Gaurdian and the Powermatic. And I'm bringing the Guardian in first because I have power behind me, and it's going to need very little TLC on it. So I'm going to stop this right now, disconnect it, walk it in here, and then go pick up the big Powermatic. So you guys bear with me. Oh, that's good. Bear with me. And see if we can't get this done this afternoon. Do have rain in about 3 or 4 days, so I want to get this stuff in tonight. All right, the Guardian is in. And now we're going to go back and get the Powermatic, and then I'm going to call it a day. But, yeah, sure miss the old bride because she used to be able to video the stuff like this. Let's go get the old Kubota out there and get the old heavier Powermatic in here tonight. We'll be back with you shortly. All right, the big, huge drill press Powermatic sitting in front of these shop doors. And I'm not going to video what it's going to take tonight, but I'm going to have to pick it up, take the skates out from underneath my 28 Nash, so I can come across that threshold down there without damaging it, and I don't want to take that out. But for October the 20th, these two are inside, and then I'm going to go be covering up the big 10-width 36-inch saw tonight, and have no rain, no moisture, no frost. So I got my work cut out. Yeah, sure miss my bride because she was a great hand, and hopefully she's looking down on me and blessing me for buying this stuff. But this saw here, this Powermatic drill press is going to get refurbished and out for resale. It is a hoss. Yes, that's a 3-phase motor as far as I know. I don't know. I got to clean it all up. So please give us a like and a thumbs up if you like our content and going off to estate and auction sales, along with our restoration of a lot of classic cars, interiors, etc. But yeah, it's a little bit different venue right now. It's been over a year since we had a big estate sale, and that is a beast. So anybody looking at one, wants to own one, please get in contact me. In my about is the email address, and yeah, everything's for sale. All right, Bear's Rod Shop. We're out of here. Old Kubota did really great. And, good thing I got the 4-post lift at slab level. But the only thing is that big old saw, Tanwick's 36-inch, it's definitely never going to come in this shop. It's over 7'7", and I only have 7'2" doorways, and I just don't have enough room in here. Literally, for a 30 by 30, yeah, I just don't have room. I'd love to own the saw and keep it, but anybody that's into fabrication, get a hold of me, send me, your offers. We'll take 10 grand for that saw. And that's not including transport. We're not sure yet. We're going to get this saw refurbished, cleaned up, and this drill press cleaned up and operational, and see where it goes from there. Bears Rod Shop, we're out for October the 20th. Come back, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and soon you'll see this Kubota tractor all repainted, and man, it is a nice tractor. And it's not for sale yet, but it will be maybe next year. We're out here for the 20th of October. Everybody have a wonderful holiday season, and come back and give us a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. We sure would appreciate it so we can grow. Out of here.